Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from today I am going to start with a series of different rubrics. In this I will be covering all important mind rubrics as per clinical point of view, and also I will be explaining you in detail for exam point of view too, in which I will be giving you a perfect format of how to write answers for 5 marks related to rubrics. So let's start with today's video, a very first rubric, that is abandoned rubric. So let's start with the first rubric, abandoned. It is a mind rubric. I have taken it from Kent repertory. So this is present in Kent repertory as well as it is present in the synthesis repertory. So let's see the exact word meaning of abandoned. That is deserted feeling, ditched, rejected, neglected or forsaken. This is the feeling or this is the word meaning of abandoned. Likewise only you are going to write in exam too. Then let's see explanation now. So live without intending to return. He has feeling that someone has left him, or his friend, his family or his closer one, no matter whoever he is, he feels that they have left him alone for a long period of time, or they have just vanished from his life. They will never come back or they will never help him. Or feeling of helpless. Patient feel very helpless just because no one is in his life, so he feels very helpless without protection. Patient feels that no one is there to protect me, or no one is there to take care of me, no one is there to attend to me. Keeping no connection with anyone. The mother, for example, a mother and his child, their both connection is very deep, they are very much attached to each other. So if mother left that child, how that child will feel like, I am very alone, my mom itself left me, now what is the meaning of this life, why should I leave, I am so alone, I am so helpless, I am so much of alone that everyone has left me, even my mom has left me. This feeling is what abandoned feeling is. So feeling of kept alone, that is only related to the example of mother and a child relation. So a disease condition, in which disease condition this this abandoned occurs is schizophrenia, then in depressive disorders, then in maniac disorders. In these disorders mostly this abandoned feeling comes. Then let's see in which remedies it is very much powerful or very much seen. So this rubric is seen in Aurum Metallicum, which is 3 plus remedy in Kent's repertory. Similarly, Sorainum and Pulsatilla, these are the 3 mark remedies in Kent repertory. Then for 2 mark remedies are Lachesis stramonium. 1 mark is Natrum mur and Mercurius. Okay, so what are the cross references given in the repertories are delusion, friendless that he is, very close or a cross reference to abandoned rubric. Delusion, neglected he is, helplessness feeling of, forsaken feeling. So in Kent's repertory, if you will see that abandoned is the very first rubric in the Kent's repertory. So in that repertory, next to the abandoned rubric, it is written that forsaken feeling. So this is the cross reference given in the Kent's repertory. We have to go there and check for the rubrics, and if you will check, you will get all these remedies for 3 marks, 2 marks and 1 mark. So let's see the remedies itself. Let's see the difference between these 3 remedies with relation to the abandoned rubric. So let's see Aurum Metallicum first. In Aurum Metallicum, patient feels that I am very alone. Why I am alone? Because I have only left the person or left my friend or my family when they needed me. This was all my mistake. Now I am at this stage that they left me or they given up on me. Why? Just because of me. All is my mistake. There is no fault of others, but it is mine fault, and I have only done all this, and I am only the responsible that everyone has left me. So what is the exact or key point seen in Aurum is sadness. Why there is sadness? Just because of patient feels that this is my mistake. I left them, that's why I am here now. That is, nobody is paying attention to me. That's why I am very sad. The patient gets very much sad, and there is even suicidal tendency. As we know, there is a key point that constantly dwelling on suicide. This is seen in aurum metallicum. It is a key point of it, exactly opposite to the aurum metallicum. In Sorainum, patient is having insecurities, and he also feels that everything will go away from me one day. He always want more and more. If he is happy or everyone is with him, still he feels that no, nobody is with me, or why are these people are less happy with me, why do they don't show more excitement or more happiness towards me. This feeling is present in Sorainum. Even if people love him, he wants more love, more attention, or want of more love or attention. Then in Pulsatilla, it is want of sympathy or attention or affection of love, or the attention seeker peoples are Pulsatilla. In this, if attention they didn't get any attention, they will become sad and they will be feeling like there is no point to live now, I should die, I should not leave, or they started crying, they started getting depressed, sad, unhappy. They started telling people ki no, nobody loves me. Even if people loves him, or even if his family loves him, then also he will say no, nobody is loving me, or nobody is with me, even my friends hates me, or there is more of grief present in Pulsatilla. Basically, Sorainum is very depressed and having suicidal thoughts too, but less than Aurum metallicum, as well as it is less than Pulsatilla. Okay, so there are suicidal thoughts in Sorainum, and patient feels that hopeless, I am very hopeless now, and he needs more and more. This is the key point, wants more. So this was all about the mind rubric. I hope you like this abundant rubric or this series which I have started. If you like, then do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing you all the notes about rubrics as well as for other subjects on my Insta page, that is Dynamic Homeopathy by Dr. Nisha. So do follow that page too. Thank you.